আসসালামু আলাইকুম ডিয়ার অডিয়েন্স। আমরা অনেক সময় একে অপরের সঙ্গে পরিচিত হতে পারি না, এটা আমাদের একটা বিশাল সমস্যা। তো এই সমস্যার সমাধান করার জন্য আজ আমরা যে কন্টেন্টটা তৈরি করতে যাচ্ছি সেটাতে আমরা কিভাবে কনফিডেন্টলি একে অন্যের সঙ্গে কথা বলে পরিচিত হওয়া যায় এ বিষয়ে দেখব বা শুনব। এক্সকিউজ মি,
Okay, just hello, sir.
ক্যান আই শেয়ার উইথ ইউ এনিথিং?
You can right now.
ওকে, হোয়াটস ইউর নেম?
First, my name is Mohammad Yasin Ali Shubho, but may you call, you may call here, Shubho.
Oh, why?
That's my nickname
That
here.
means your nickname is
Shubho.
Shubh. Okay,
Right.
thank you. What's your father's name?
My father's name is Mohammad Irshad Ali,
What does your father do?
and actually my father is a businessman here, and so he does it, and he makes a business, and right now he leads a business right now, we can say that.
Okay. What's your mother's name?
And my mother's name is Muhammad Parvin Begum.
What does your mother do?
And basically, just my mother is a housewife, and it's a normal things. And
Oh, I see. Do you have any siblings?
yes, I have a sister, right? She is my elder sister. And
Oh, I see.
I am sir,
What does your sister do?
and actually she studies right now,
That means she is student.
student, right?
Oh, okay. What do you do now?
And actually, I'm right now a student, right? So
Oh.
I study,
What class do you study?
and I'm in class 8 right now.
Class 8. Oh, I see. What is the name of your school?
Current my school is Shuribari Shonamoni Academy School and College.
Oh, I see. Do you have any hobby?
Actually, I have currently hobby, but like cycling sometimes and watching movie, and like not that's movie, and it's not hobby. And actually playing football is my one kind of hobby. Just you say here.
Oh, I see. What's your aim in life?
Okay, right. It's so difficult to say you here and to explore the things to you here, and I want to go in with maybe. Right? That's not very hardly. That's not 100% sure here, and so go to.
That means being engineering is your
Right, it's the
target.
one that.
How do you labor for your future in life? Per day?
For the right, and that is a dependable part for me, and that will depend on my body, not and actually it also depend on my brain and on my mindset. So every person has to do every work as a very hard work, and every per day 12 hours, I mean.
In brief, you can say something about your family.
Actually, I have there are four members in my family, and right now my father and my mother, and there is and my sister and I. And my father is a businessman, and my mother, and instead of that, my mother is a housewife, and the next part, my sister is a student, and also I am a student here.
Do you get pride feel for your family?
Alhamdulillah, that's.
Okay, that's all. দর্শক, এটাই হচ্ছে একজনের সঙ্গে আর একজনের ইন্ট্রোডাকশনের সিস্টেম।
Okay, right.
ওকে, থ্যাংক ইউ।